Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best products on the market so you can buy smarter, not harder. And today, we're diving into the best toolbox organizer portable plastic you can get your hands on, the DEWALT Toolbox Tough Case Organizer, medium, 8 compartments, model DEWALT2190. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is DEWALT's signature rugged build. This organizer is designed for real-world use. Whether you're a DIYer, a technician, or a full-time contractor, this case doesn't just look tough, it actually is. Made from impact-resistant plastic, the DEWALT2190 can handle rough drops, heavy contents, and being tossed around in the back of your truck without missing a beat. Now, let's talk about the design. Inside the case, you'll find 8 individual compartments, ideal for storing small tools, bits, fasteners, or accessories. The compartments are removable, which means you can customize the layout based on your specific needs. Maybe today you're doing electrical work and need more room for wire nuts and crimpers, no problem. Tomorrow it might be screws and bits for woodwork, easily rearrange. That flexibility is a huge plus. The clear lid is another smart touch. It lets you quickly identify what's inside without opening the case, saving time and effort on the job. Plus, the lid is impact resistant and locks the compartments in place, so there's no spilling or mixing even if the box gets flipped upside down. One thing that really sets the DEWALT2190 apart from basic organizers is its integration with the DEWALT Tough system. This case clicks right into the DEWALT stackable storage system, meaning you can transport multiple boxes securely and efficiently. Perfect for people who need to bring a whole workshop to a job site. And size-wise, it hits a sweet spot. It's medium-sized, which makes it portable without compromising on storage space. You can carry it in one hand, stash it on a shelf, or fit it neatly in your van without it being bulky or taking up too much room. Let's also take a second to talk about the latches and handles. DEWALT doesn't cut corners. The locking mechanism is solid, and the handle is designed for a comfortable grip even when the case is fully loaded. These small ergonomic touches are what make it clear that this isn't a cheap plastic box, it's a professional tool. Now, if you're someone who appreciates visual content, DEWALT's product page features multiple demo videos showcasing how this case is used in real settings, and it's pretty clear this product was built for people who want gear that works as hard as they do. To wrap it up, the DEWALT DEWALT2190 Tough Case Organizer hits all the right notes: durable, customizable, compatible with DEWALT systems, and thoughtfully designed for anyone who needs their tools and accessories organized and protected. If you're looking to upgrade your storage game, this is one organizer you won't regret adding to your arsenal. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what tool or gear you want us to review next. Catch you in the next video.